Managing property can be a real headache, especially if you own multiple properties or do so remotely. At Better Homes, we have the biggest and best property management team in Dubai. So why should you manage your property with Better Homes? Firstly, our professional team with over 30 years of property management experience will take away hassles and worries by managing the tenancy, including collecting payments, renewal, and any maintenance issues that may come up, so you can have total peace of mind. With a dedicated team of qualified contractors that have been vetted and approved by Better Homes, you can be confident of the quality of maintenance work for your property, so ultimately you protect long-term value of your asset. Finally, with a 95% occupancy rate, we attract only good quality tenants for your property. And remember, a well-managed property means happy tenants, and happy tenants stay longer, reducing the void periods between tenancies. To list your property with our property management team, please visit bhomes.com or call 04 409 0902.